I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about the benefits of juicing versus whole fruits and vegetables. Well, this is a hotly contested one. I love juicing and whole fruits and vegetables. The reasons I especially love juicing are that when you have fresh vegetable juice, you're getting more in one glass than you could possibly consume if that glass was sharing space with the matter and the liquid. So you're getting a concentrated amount of oxygen, nutrients, and life force. When we juice fruits and vegetables, we're actually separating the pulp from the liquid of the plant. So a juice is simply the plant without the pulp. It's all the vitality of the plant, all the nutrients, without the passive quality, the bulk quality of the fiber itself. A healthy, balanced approach to the cleansing lifestyle includes both whole foods and fresh juices.